Welcome to this video, where we dive into everything you need to know about the Dell Precision 7670. Whether you're a professional, student, or creative enthusiast, this workstation promises to deliver outstanding performance and reliability. Let's get started by exploring why the Dell Precision 7670 is setting new standards for mobile workstations. First up, let's talk about the powerful Intel Core i9-12950HX processor. This is a 16-core, 24-thread beast designed for demanding workloads. Whether you're an architect, engineer, or video editor, this processor handles multitasking with ease. Pair this with 64 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM, and you have a laptop capable of managing even the most resource-heavy applications without any lag. For storage, the 2TB SSD ensures lightning-fast file access and enough room for your projects. With the option to expand storage up to 12 terabytes, the Precision 7670 is as future-proof as it gets. Next, let's discuss the stunning 16-inch FHD Plus display. With its 1920 by 1200 resolution and anti-glare coating, this screen is perfect for professionals. The 16:10 aspect ratio provides extra vertical space, which is ideal for editing, coding, or design work. This wide viewing angle display ensures you'll see every detail clearly, even from different perspectives. Now, let's move on to the graphics performance. The laptop is equipped with an NVIDIA RTX A2008GB GPU, making it perfect for professionals in video editing, 3D modeling, and even gaming. The GPU supports AI-enhanced workflows and faster rendering, giving you the tools to tackle any project with ease. The Dell Precision 7670 also stands out for its advanced CAMM-RAM technology. Unlike traditional RAM, this new technology allows the laptop to maintain a slimmer profile while delivering faster speeds. This innovative design not only enhances performance, but also ensures the laptop remains portable and easy to carry. Connectivity is another strong point. The Precision 7670 includes a wide range of ports, including Thunderbolt 4, USB-C, USB-A, HDMI, and an SD card slot. Whether you need to connect multiple monitors or transfer data, this laptop has got you covered. Plus, features like the fingerprint reader and Windows 11 Pro make it secure and easy to use. The Dell Precision 7670 isn't just about specs, it's about offering a seamless experience for professionals and students alike. For students in architecture or engineering, this laptop is an investment in success. Its powerful performance ensures it can handle demanding software applications like AutoCAD, Revit, and Adobe Premiere Pro. For content creators, the RTX GPU makes video editing a breeze. You can edit 4K videos, create 3D animations, and even enjoy smooth gameplay. This laptop is versatile enough to meet the needs of creators, gamers, and business professionals. Speaking of business, the Dell Precision 7670 has features like a backlit keyboard and a smart card reader. These details enhance productivity and security, making it an excellent choice for professionals who need a reliable and secure device. Durability is another key highlight. The laptop's sleek gray chassis is not only stylish, but also built to last. Despite its power, the laptop is lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry to meetings, the office, or even a coffee shop. To sum it up, the Dell Precision 7670 is more than just a laptop. It's a workstation designed for professionals. With its cutting-edge processor, advanced GPU, stunning display, and innovative memory technology, it delivers everything you need to stay productive and creative. If you're ready to take your work to the next level, the Dell Precision 7670 is available now. Don't wait. This powerful workstation is perfect for anyone looking to boost their productivity and creativity. Get yours today on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Let us know in the comments if you'd like us to cover more laptops like the Dell Precision 7670. See you in the next video.